What's up, guys? Devin with Adventure Hobby Passion back today doing another video. And Josh is here again. So, what did you see in the last video? Mini bikes. So, maybe we're going to be doing build, what would this be? Build number part two, three. This is probably like part 4 or so. We gotta go Power Sports box. We're gonna do the unboxing, but give us 1 second. I also got a heater. This nice forced air reading heater. I don't know. It's 100,000 BTUs. So we're going to start the time lapse. I'm going to get that hooked up and started. And Josh is going to bring in his mini bike into the garage. And then we'll do the unboxing of what all parts he's got for today's rendition of installing parts. So yeah, cue the time lapse. Alright guys, we're doing the unboxing. The heater's on, it's really loud, but it's freaking cold, and we're testing it out. So we got a header.
Stage 1 kit.
Stage 1 kit.
And my light.
Wow, that's a lot smaller than I was thinking.
Yeah, same. Compared to the mountain bracket for it, so.
Yeah, I don't know if I'd put that on. And then the grand finale.
Torque converter.
And then a sick Tab 2 torque converter.
Oh yeah.
Tab 2 30 series torque converter. So yeah, we're doing a stage 1 with the torque converter on his bike. It is going to be a monster. Probably next video is going to be us riding it and doing some testing, and then we're going to do another build. But yeah, we're going to jump into the time lapse. Hopefully that was not too noisy for you. Alright guys, so we got this exhaust so it'll fit perfectly. You know, it'll make the chain a little hot and maybe the tire. I'm gonna suggest to him to get some heat wrap.
Oh yeah.
It also looks bad to the bone with heat wrap.
Alright, ready?
But yeah, let's do the first startup with the new jetted and everything. All right, put a little choke on.
Crockle Pop Rice Krispies.
Oh yeah. I knew you'd like a stage one, dude. They're freaking sick.
Dude, that nice blue flame coming out of there.
That's it for this video. Hopefully you enjoyed. It was just a nice short video for us to get it installed. Had lots of fun installing everything. So, yeah. Hopefully you enjoyed. Like, comment, share, subscribe. The biggest thing on my channel, go out and go find your passion.